Hey everyone, what's up? This is Pedro from Rainbow, and in this video I want to take you through how you can make the most out of RainbowKit's wallet list. I'll show you how we can reorder them, how we can add or remove them, how we can group them, and finally how you can add a custom wallet including its icon, educational content, and download links. So let's jump right in. In the previous video, we learned how to install, configure, and connect a wallet using RainbowKit. So if you haven't watched that yet, make sure to give it a watch. Otherwise, you can go to the RainbowKit documentation and follow the quick start guide, and that will set up a Next.js application for you with RainbowKit all configured and good to go in just under a minute. Alright, so this is our demo app running. The wallet list is over here in the connection dialog, and by default these are the wallets that are shown, and this is the order that they show them in. And this happens using this function called getDefaultWallets. But because we want more control over how the wallets are displayed, we won't be using this anymore. Instead, we're going to import a new function called connectors4wallets and an object called wallet. The connectors4wallets function accepts an array of objects, where each object is a wallet group. For now, let's just stick with one group. This object accepts a group name and an array of wallets. The wallet object already contains a few popular wallets that we can pick from. So we can use this helper object to simply put the wallets in this array in the order that we want to display them in. Each wallet is a function that expects the chains object. And what we get back from this function are the connectors. So let's see how this looks. Connect wallet, and here are the new wallets that we've defined in this wallets array. Note how the order of the array impacts the order in which they're shown in the UI. We can add multiple groups of wallets by providing the connectors4wallets function with multiple objects that look just like this one. So let's go ahead and do that. I'll rename popular to recommended, and then I'll create a new group. And in this group, I'm going to add Coinbase wallet and Stake wallet. And now we can switch back to the UI, and we can see that indeed there are two groups of wallets, recommended and other. Everything that we've just gone through is documented in the custom wallet list documentation page, and in here you can learn more about this feature as well as see a list of all the built-in wallets. So far, we've been using wallets that have been given to us by RainbowKit. But what if we wanted to give our users access to a specific wallet that RainbowKit is not exposing to us? Well, in that case, we can actually go ahead and define a custom wallet. In order to show how this works, I'm going to remove the Rainbow wallet that's coming from RainbowKit, and we're going to recreate it ourselves. A custom wallet is basically a function that receives a chains object and returns a configuration object. This object contains an ID, a name, an icon URL, an icon background, a download URLs object for Android, iOS, and a QR code. And finally, a create connector function that returns a connector object. And for that, we can get a connector from a RainbowKit function called getWalletConnect connector, and we forward the chains through to this function. And then we're going to return the connector, a mobile object that contains a getURI function, a QR code object that also contains a getURI function, and finally a set of helpful instructions for your users with a learn more URL and an array of steps. And now that we've defined our custom wallet, we can call our wallet function in the wallets array. Let's jump back to our application and see how that's looking. Connect wallet, we can see Rainbow is here again. We can click on that to see the QR code to actually connect. If a user doesn't have Rainbow installed, they can click on this get button to see the QR code that will take them to the download URL. And when we click continue, we get to the instructions page where we've defined a learn more URL and the steps array. And that's how you can customize RainbowKit's wallet list and add a new custom wallet. To learn more about RainbowKit, visit RainbowKit.com, and on there you'll find links to the documentation where you can read more about the APIs we used today. Cheers.